Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. I'm Rebecca Austin, Kajabi mentor and conversion coach, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic that can completely transform the way you sell, and that is marketing psychology. Have you ever wondered why some marketing messages seem to connect instantly while others just fall flat? The answer lies in understanding how your audience thinks and what motivates them to take action. By using key psychological principles, you can create marketing strategies that resonate deeply with your audience and drive real results. Marketing psychology isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding your audience on a human level. It's about using psychological triggers to build trust, establish authority, and guide your audience toward making decisions that benefit them. As a course creator, coach, or community leader, applying these principles can help you do several things. It can help build stronger connection with your audience, highlight the value of your offer, and convert more leads into paying customers. So let's break down some of the most effective psychological triggers and how you can use them in your marketing. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. First up is social proof, the idea that people look to others to guide their decisions, especially in uncertain situations. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies are all forms of social proof that reassure your audience that others have found success with your offer. On your Kajabi sales page, be sure to include testimonials from students or clients who've had real success. You can highlight specific results they've achieved, like increasing sales, gaining confidence, or reaching a big milestone. The more relatable and detailed the story, the more powerful the impact. Number 2, create urgency with scarcity. Scarcity is the principle that people value things more when they're limited. Whether it's a limited time discount, exclusive bonuses, or capped enrollment, creating a sense of urgency can push your audience to act now instead of later. You can do this by maybe adding a countdown timer to your Kajabi landing page for a limited time offer. Seeing a clock tick down creates a visual cue that motivates action. Now, be careful when you use this one, however, because your integrity in your business is everything. And all too often, people use false scarcity to mislead their audience on a countdown or an offer that's not really limited. So I do encourage you to use your own discretion on how you use this particular psychological trigger. Number 3, build trust with authority. Authority is another key principle. When people see you as an expert, they're more likely to trust you and follow your recommendations. This is especially important for course creators and coaches where your expertise is the product. Showcase your credentials, share success stories, or host free webinars that demonstrate your knowledge. This builds confidence in your audience and positions you as the go-to expert in your field. We talk about authority a lot, especially when we're talking about things like lead magnets and your landing page copy. Number 4, use reciprocity to inspire action. Reciprocity is the idea that when you give something valuable to your audience, they'll feel inclined to give back. In marketing, this means offering free resources, tips, or tools that provide real value upfront. We like to say that, again, in your lead magnets, we want to be very strategic where you're giving high value, but you're not giving it all away. You're building authority, but also building value in a way that makes them curious and engaged where they want more. On your Kajabi site, consider offering your free lead magnets in a way that truly connects with your audience and helps solve a specific problem. Then, of course, like we talk about in our lead magnet strategy, follow up with email sequences that introduce your full program as the natural next step. It's all about starting with generosity and building goodwill. 5, encourage small commitments with consistency. People like to stay consistent with their actions, which is why small commitments often lead to bigger ones. This is called the consistency principle. So start by asking your audience to take small steps like downloading a free resource or attending a webinar. Once they're engaged, they'll be more likely to take the next step, whether that's enrolling in your course or joining your membership program. The next one is using anchoring to highlight value. Okay, the last one that we'll talk about today is called anchoring. This is a psychological tendency to rely heavily on the first piece of information we see. In marketing, you can use anchoring to make your offer look even more appealing. So for example, you can list higher price package alongside your main offer. When people compare the two, your core offer looks like an even better deal. Kajabi makes it easy to set up tiered pricing options, so take advantage of that to showcase the value of your program. And when you combine these principles, social proof, scarcity, authority, reciprocity, consistency, and anchoring, you create a marketing strategy that feels authentic, builds trust, and motivates your audience to take action. Remember, marketing psychology is about connection, not manipulation. By understanding what drives your audience, you can meet them where they are and guide them toward achieving their goals with your help. If you're ready to apply these principles to your own marketing strategy, we are here to help. Whether it's refining your sales pages, crafting irresistible offers, or building nurture sequences that convert, we can help you turn these psychological triggers into actionable strategies. Down below in the description with this video is a link where you can explore more on how we can help support you in growing your Kajabi-based business. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next Grow Your List episode, where we are going to dive into crafting the perfect email sequence. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create sequences that nurture leads, boost engagement, and drive conversions. I know you're not going to want to miss that one. Remember, success starts with a solid strategy. Keep refining and keep growing. Bye for now.